Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Ethan here. Today, I have a new video for you guys. Bedroom cooking with Ethan Wagner. Alright, so our first ingredient is gonna be some milk. If you haven't heard of milk before, it's something that, well, let's talk to your parents. Okay, now, oh, I got some milk on my phone. Okay, now, we're gonna add a little twist to it. Pepsi ice cream. You heard me. Pepsi ice cream. Alright, let's just get a nice slow pour here. Now that you have your Pepsi in, you're gonna want to, just to have a friend, sit next to you and talk about some life issues, like maybe race, gun laws. So here we have our guest, Red Snug, the one and only, the man, the myth, the legend.
He owns a YouTube channel.
Okay.
No jokes from the camera person.
Yeah, hey, shut up, camera person.
I'm gonna cut you.
I have a name.
Hey, stop zooming in. Stop
Don't zoom in.
Stop.
Guys, don't
No,
zoom in.
don't stop.
Oh
Stop.
my gosh, I'm gonna cut the parts you zoom in, okay?
I wasn't even zooming in until he said something.
Okay. You zoomed out,
Shut
right?
up, camera person. You're the scum of the earth.
You know what's good to do when you make a Pepsi ice cream? You gotta play the drums.
Oh, that's true. Okay, so Nicholas right here is the expert on the drums. So why don't you give it a shot?
Okay.
Don't knock over the thing. I will kill you. Maybe political topics aren't exactly appropriate for a YouTube setting. All the liberals out there, all the sharks out there on YouTube. So let's maybe talk about our favorite video games. Mine's Roblox.
Mine is Minecraft.
Oh. Okay, well, that's very interesting. So as you may notice, Minecraft actually copied Roblox, and it's just they have a different saying. For example, ooh, but Minecraft is like ooh, like that.
That's not true because Minecraft, the first release of the game was in 2009. But Roblox, I believe, came out in 2011. So
It's all the haters. Mark Zuckerberg himself made Roblox back in 1999 or 98, sorry. But all the haters from Minecraft, they didn't want to admit it. But so how's that milk, Nick? I mean Redstone.
It's pretty good.
Non-copyright. Yeah. Okay, so our ice cream is forming on the edges. I don't know. What do you want to do?
Let's check it out.
Wow, what a show. Cameraman, stop going on your phone. We don't care about your personal life.
Okay. Oh, I see it. I see it forming.
Okay, guys, it's about time to check our ice cream, so let's take a look. Yeah, that's chunky, alright. Okay, so today on our... Alright guys, we're back. Nick had a brief moment of midlife crisis, and we took care of that. But yeah, we're back, and we're about ready to try our ice cream. This is a Rachel Ray recipe. We had to use the low fat stuff, and yeah, Pepsi real sugar, you know, to just like compensate. Okay, so yeah, let's take a dander. It's pretty good.
You realize cooking involves the oven, right? Or like the stove, where you actually cook something.
Well, I want to cook it.
Cook what?
This.
How will we cook it?
Microwave it.
Oh yeah. Wait, no, like that'll cover fire.
Yeah.
Well, you can't put the.
Why would we microwave ice cream?
It's not even ice
So
cream.
we have to cook it. Mm-hmm. Look at it.
Why would we cook it?
It's ice cream. Okay, well, thanks for joining us, guys. Next time we're gonna cook that fish and see how it tastes.
Oh, who cares?
Yeah, so, yeah,